inside the early days of a British paper wasp nest. Unlike the large, bustling nests we often associate with wasps later in the summer, this colony is still in its infancy. Everything you see here has been built by a single queen wasp. She started this nest entirely on her own after emerging from the winter hibernation. And here we see this beautiful creature, unfortunately dead. The nest itself is a remarkable piece of natural engineering. The paper-like material is made from weathered wood fibres that the queen has chewed and mixed with her saliva. Cell by cell, she constructs this delicate structure, suspended beneath a small stalk from the roof called a pedestal. As the eggs hatch, they become larvae. Here we can see larvae at various stages of growth. The smaller larvae are only recently hatched, while the larger ones have been feeding and developing for several days. The ones with white silken cappings are the ones almost ready to emerge. And here we see the pedestal that will hold the next layer of cells in the wasp's nest. And here we see the cap that's been chewed away, that the female wasp you see at the side here has released herself from. The relationship between adult wasps and their larvae is a remarkable example of cooperation. Adult wasps hunt caterpillars and other insects, chewing them into a form that the larvae can consume. In return, the larvae produces nutritious secretions that the adults feed upon. In effect, the larvae become part of the colony's food processing system. The adults provide protein-rich meals, while the larvae provide a valuable energy source. This exchange helps strengthen the social bonds that hold the hive together. Please look into this pedestal. You can see the eggs. This is the queen's next layer of cells. Soon the first workers will emerge from their cells. These workers are sterile females and will take over the many day-to-day duties of nest construction and brood care. Once this happens, the colony can grow much more rapidly. What we're looking at here is a snapshot of a crucial moment in the colony's life. Every worker, every future queen, and every male wasp that may eventually emerge from this nest begins as one of these tiny little eggs. Although wasps are often viewed as unwelcome visitors, close examination reveals an extraordinary level of organisation and cooperation. They are skilled hunters, important predators of garden pests, and master builders using nothing more than wood fibres and saliva.